Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, here I will show you how can you use or how can you log in two Apple IDs on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to use or log in two Apple IDs on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You have to simply open settings in your device and then you have to open your profile, and from here you have to scroll it below. And now here you can see this, I have added my Apple ID in my iPhone already. So guys, here you can see this. So guys, you have to simply scroll it below, and from here you have to simply tap on media and purchases. So guys, simply tap on this and now tap on sign out. So guys, here you can see this. If you sign out your Apple ID will be signed out from your App Store, Apple Music, Apple TV and more. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply tap on sign out button from here, and now your Apple ID will be removed from your App Store or other options from your device. So guys, here you can see this. The main ID is still there on my iPhone. So guys, after this you have to simply close your window, and now you have to open your App Store in your device. So guys, open it, and from here you have to tap on the profile option from here. So guys, tap on this and now you can see the option to sign in with Apple ID. So guys, simply tap on sign it from here, and from here you have to simply tap on not Apple ID, and from here you have to enter your new or second Apple ID in your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this, simply enter your new Apple ID. So guys, here I'm adding my new Apple ID. So guys, after this you have to tap on continue from here. So guys, wait for some seconds here, and now you have to simply enter your password for your Apple ID from here. So guys, simply enter your password for your second Apple ID from here, and after this you will be able to sign in your second Apple ID on your iPhone from here very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.